Yeah, it's Boris the hair zipper, the crochet master. Shit.
Oh yes, let's take a quick look on how to plait short hair. Guys, it is not easy at all, but I tried to manage it. So let's subscribe and we do this together.
Available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper girl.
Oh yes, welcome once again to our YouTube channel, and under the names of Maurice the Crochet Master. Thank you so much, those ones who are watching, and please, those ones in United States of America, Netherlands, please, you can share this video because I want you to see how hard it is. And maybe when you have short hair, trust me, still you can do something from it. So we are doing the natural tangle on the short hair, and here are the tricks that I used so that I could manage. One, I know that short hair, it's very hard like to cut a line, so the only thing is I'm going to try to be using the gel so that I can hold it firm, like always the way I always do it. So this is how I try to manage. So let me show you how I'm doing it. And please, I told you that whenever you're plaiting baby hair first, you always have to remove it and never plait the baby hair. So this is how the natural tangle goes. Try to look here very carefully, like the way I'm twisting this, because remember the natural tangle is in two ways. I start with threes from down, and when I reach just in 2 inches, then I start doing the twisting. So you can see how I twist. Just, you don't make it very hard. As you can see, do it very soft. And when if someone wants it very long, so that means you're going to keep on adding. So still, I will show you how you can add, and how, like, when you have added, how it will look like. I want you to learn how to add and it doesn't show that you had added something. So this is how we're going to do it. So, excuse me, like, probably you can see how I told you that it's very hard to cut the line inside, but the only way to go is to use the gel. So you see how for the gel is trying to hold the hair. You see how it is? Yes. So I'm trying to put the gel so that you see how I'm trying to do it. Yes, just like that. So this is how we keep on doing this natural tangle. And please remember, I told you it is threes from down. I know at least by now you know how to start this way. If you've been following me on the previous videos that I've been uploading, showing on how you can do the natural tangle, at least I know you know how to start with these corners, like with the threes from down. So after you tie it very tight, as you can see. So when you're done, then you twist it. So today I plaited alone, so it means I'm trying to be speedy here, so that after I'm doing that first step of plaiting that halfway, then I'll be twisting it. So this is the way to go.
Yeah, it's Boris the hair zipper, the crochet master. Shit.
It's so light as a tangle on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah. So styleable, portable.
Oh yes, like gel is very important. As I told you, gel is very important. Like when you're trying to plait this, so you see how my boxes are looking, and they're still very perfect. See, the hair was short, but I tried my best to bring it out this way. So still, let's take a look on how we can plait the front. Yes, because I told you just have to make it very soft as possible. You see how it is. You see. Yeah, so you can look. I try my best, like my boxes to be perfect since we are in the quarantine. There's no mirror, so the mirror myself, because you can see we are out, like we are in the we are at home. Yeah, they told us to stay home, so that's how we're trying to do. So you can see how I'm doing it, and trust me, you have to be knowing this one by now if you've been following all my tutorials, like this way of starting. And if you have any question that you want to ask, please feel free, just go on my comment section and you put that comment. I'll be there to answer you on those things that you'll need to know more about the natural tangle. So let's keep on looking, and trust me, you're going to see the good results.
And move around so free, yeah. So styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl.
Oh yeah, so you can see how I've arranged my boxes. You see how it looks. It looks very nice and very soft. You can see. Yes, so I want you also try it out, see the way I'm twisting. Yes, see the way I'm twisting. You see, very soft. Just have to make it soft, don't make it tight. You see, yeah, it's different. In fact, it is different to it's different to the normal twisting. So that's why I'm saying, like, you have to practice it as much as possible, so that you also get to learn how it should be. So you can see how it is, slowly by slowly. Yes, so like when you're done, you see, yep. So when you're done with that, the only thing you're going to do is twisting. Let me try to show you here, like how you can add. So like if you have if the braid is short, how you're going to add it and it remains looking neat. Let me try to show it here so that you get to know how it should be. So this is it, like this. You see the way I'm twisting, I try my best to make it look soft. Just like that, just like that. So when you're done with that, the next step you to do is to add on. You see, you just add on, and see where I've added on. You can't tell that is, you see, you can't tell that I had added something. So that's how I also want you to practice. Yes, whenever you're trying to do it, and trust me, it's going to look very nice. So let's enjoy our natural tangle. And it's something that still you can lock, as I told you, something that you can lock after, because this can spend 3 months to 4 and above, as long as you keep on repairing. So try it out. Trust me, you will love it more. So me, I sign out. Let's enjoy and how you're going to see how when she's done. Trust, she loved the hair. She loved the hair. So yeah, just keep up and you see how she's going to enjoy her hair. My name is Morris again. Shall see you on my next video, and please, we love you so much. Those ones who are watching us in United Emirates, United Kingdom, Oman, and those ones in South Africa and Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, we love you so much. So this is it. Just keep on watching. You're going to see how it's going to look after. I love you so much, and I sign out. Jobless.
I'm so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle, merely dread. So simple, hair zipper, take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle.